All right, so today my model was Macho, also known as Macho Man, also known as my main man, and also known as my son. So today, my son spent the whole day at the pool, had chlorine all over his face, and I thought, man, it is hot outside. It's like 90 to 100 degrees. He had a lot of hair on his head, and I thought before I got him into the shower to wash off all that chlorine, let's bust out a haircut. So I hope you guys like this video. If you have any questions or comments, please never hesitate to reach out. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Here is the before, and here is me getting started on my model. Today, my model is my son. And for anyone who's ever cut kids, you know you have to work quick because kids don't sit still for very long. An idea that works for me is I will give my son my cell phone with the movie, and it buys me a little extra time to get my son to sit still. All right, so the first thing I'm doing is I am taking my trimmers and I am removing the neck hair as well as the lower portion of the hairline. And then from there, I'm going to use the clippers with the guard to fade out the haircut. Alright, so now, as you can see, I've got my clippers with the smallest guard attachment on it, and basically what I'm doing is I'm just going through and in a scooping-like motion as I get to the top of my son's occipital bone, I am removing all of the hair on the back and on the sides of my son's head. Now I'm going to start the process of blending the sides of the hair up to the top of the hair. And I'm going to do that by removing most of the length and the bulk with my fingers, working my way around the head on both sides. Once I've removed this bulk and this length, then I'm going to be able to use my clippers or scissor over comb to fade out that line that will blend from the sides up into the top. So now I've got my clippers, and as you can see, I've removed the guard from the clippers so that I can go through and fade out that original line that we first cut in. So now I'm going to use some scissors over comb to finish fading out the sides up into the top, and I'm going to do that by working my way around the head, starting on the right side, working my way all the way to the left side. Alright, so now I'm cutting the hair at the top of the head. I've got my very first section, which is going to be my guide for the rest of the top. And as you can see, I'm cutting it in an angle, shorter at the back, working my way longer at the front. Alright, so now I am cutting some texture into the top of my son's hair by doing the slicing technique. As you can see, I'm taking my scissors and slicing a lot of the hair out. And I'm also using the twist technique to create some texture on top. I like creating the texture on top because it allows us to dress my son's hair with versatility. Some days we just blow dry it and brush it back. Other days we'll put some pomade into it and create a messy, textured, chunky look. And some days we'll just slick it back. Alright, so we've come to the end of the haircut. I'm going to put a little bit of pomade to dress my son's hair. I hope you guys like this haircut. If you have any questions or comments, don't forget to put them down in the comment section below. And please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up And please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and thank you so very much again for watching.